Hello everyone! Boring to exciting drives. That's where I'm gonna take you guys to with this cute little dancing doll. Let's go back to our storeroom and grab those Christmas ornaments that were left behind. Use a barbecue stick and a piece of an eraser to hold the bell ornament. FaceTime! Use the head of your old doll and glue a piece of stick inside the head. Use a spring from a ballpoint pen and glue both sides of it to the sticks, this way. Slit an eraser, insert the stick and secure it with hot glue. Finally, stick the doll on your car dashboard with double-sided tape. Let's dive into a fantasy world with our little princess. Isn't that magically, crazily easy? Please like, comment and subscribe. This is your Sue signing off.